You saw me. You did. You see me get your toys out? Ooh, here you go. It's too big for you, honey. Yeah. Look at this in the background. I'm trying to escape. You want to get out. You want to see where our mom goes when she leaves the box. It's pretty exciting. Where'd she go? Where does she go? I got you. I'll wait. I'm trying to find my mom. I don't care. I'm going to beat you up. Yeah. Oh, I got you. Get him, Tally.